I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. All right. It's lunchtime on the Let It Go Diet 21-day planner station. Subscribe to the station below. Give a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up to the video saying that you like it. I do. I'm on day 15 of the Let It Go Diet. So what does that mean? I have less pain, I'm less weight, my mood is better, I feel better. This is the vitamin C booster salad. It's lunch. Later today we have the ZLT. It's like a BLT without the bacon. You'll love it. It has some miso on it. So this week, week 3, you've done this for 2 weeks. This week you can modify stuff, make some changes, stay in the realm of the recipe, don't go overboard, but listen to your body. What I wanted to show you is yesterday's meal was spaghetti squash with pasta sauce. This is how much I didn't eat. Remember when you're eating to stop eating when you feel full. Don't overeat, don't emotionally eat. We're gonna freeze this, but today in breakfast and lunch and dinner, I just wanna remind people for this week, the lesson is don't overeat. When you make these meals, cut it back if you know you don't need all the food, or make it and freeze it for a later time. Let's go ahead and read the vitamin C booster salad. It is what? Oil-free. It's oil-free. These are vegan dishes. You're learning to cook like a vegan chef, and more importantly, you're saving your life. You're saving your life because you're going to feel better. You're going to feel more agile. You're going to feel better. You're going to feel more limber, less pain. You'll feel more vibrant and bright, I assure you. This is a 2-step process. We're going to make a dressing, and then we'll fill this bowl with some salad. So, overall, here's the ingredients. To make the citrus dressing, which is oil-free: 1 orange juiced, 1 lime juiced, 1 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Like, I love balsamic vinegar, so 15 calories per tablespoon. 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. That's 15 calories. If you like it, go more. 2, 3 tablespoons. You'll be okay. 1 inch of ginger, peeled and sliced. So check this out. On the dressing, slice this instead of blending it. If you want to blend it, that's great. It's going to have a real strong gingery, citrus, lemony taste, and that's fine. But if you want less of that, then just slice it up and throw it into the salad. Okay, what goes into the salad bowl? 3 or 4 cups of spinach, 1 cup of broccoli. I chopped that out today. I don't want the broccoli. I'm not that hungry. I don't need it. I put it in this cup for decoration. Let's enjoy it. Blossom, my friend. 1 green pepper. I'm going with red. I like red better than green. And look at the size of this darn thing. It's like a watermelon. Hey, later this week I'm going to make some watermelon chicken wings. Think about it. Meatless. Think about it. You'll love it too, so stay tuned for that and check out some later videos after today. 5 strawberries sliced up. 6 to 8 cherry tomatoes. We're going with medium-sized tomatoes. We'll do 2 of those. Oh, and then I threw on the table some coconut and some pepper. That's extra. All right, so let's get started on this citrus juice. It calls for 1 orange squeezed. Man, that's a nice, juicy orange. Love it. More the merrier. The more the merrier. When I was younger, I used to make this dressing that was oil-free. And let me tell you, it didn't have oranges, it had lemon. Oil-free and salt-free. It was out of this world. One day I'll put that online so others can try it out, because you'll never go back to another dressing for your salads. And heck, you can use it on a lot of stuff. And it had no salt and no sugar and no oil. That's like 3 ingredients that makes half the dressings that you see on the shelf at the store. Okay, if you have a hand squeezer, not this hand squeezer, but the accordion dome-shaped ones, you'll save yourself a mess. You'll save yourself from a mess, and maybe you'll get more juice out of it. 1 lime. Actually, it calls for a half a lime. I'm going to do 1 full lime. Kind of like a sour taste. I like a little bite to my salad. 1 to 3 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. I mean, that's way more than 3 teaspoons. That's about 2 tablespoons. Alright. And next up, it calls for 1 inch of ginger sliced. Remember, you don't have to put this into the citrus dressing because it will have a gingery taste. And you know, I've done it before, and if I'm not in the mood for it, it's really strong. So I have a little plan. Oh, the coconut. You know what? I'm in a coconut mood today, so let's take a pinch. We'll add some coconut in. That's maybe a tablespoon, and that's about 30 calories, believe it or not. So don't go overboard on too many additions to the ingredients. Alright, because I know this will have a real strong gingery taste, and to be honest, that's only 1 inch there, so hey, ginger has some awesome properties to it. It really does help with inflammation. So if you like it and you want to use more, it's only beneficial to you. So I'm just going to hit it quick in here. Alright, hopefully that just blended it up enough to get a nice ginger taste in there. Next we're going to move to our salad. I went to the grocery store today. I had to pick up something I can't remember. And walked in the store, smelled the chicken, smelled the barbecue. To be honest, I was fine with it until I walked to the bread aisle. The bread's the killer. All right, 3 or 4 cups of spinach. We'll say that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I called for a green pepper, 1 whole green pepper. Because this was such a huge pepper, I'm just going to use half of it. And I'll cut the rest of the pepper into French fry-like slices, put those in a baggie, and I can snack on these a little bit later because this is a non-starchy vegetable, and you want to use a non-starchy vegetable for snacking because it's lower in calories. And besides, you wouldn't slice, say, a potato and a raw potato and slice that and eat it. I just don't think that'd be appealing, and no one does that. Anyway, all right, so we'll save this for later. Now it calls for 5 strawberries sliced. All right, let's add in our strawberries. That's 5 strawberries sliced. Next up, it calls for 6 to 8 cherry tomatoes. I'm using some medium-sized tomatoes. Absolutely love these tomatoes when they're ripe, and they are. All right, those are our sliced tomatoes. So one other thing that is not part of the vitamin C booster is scallions. Each time I make the citrus dressing, it's a little bit different. This time a little more vinegar. I put the coconut in there. The first time around, I didn't have the lime, so I used the lemon. So this should have a little bit of a unique taste compared to, I think, day 2. We're on day 15. Alright, let's give this a nice stir. Stir and serve. Okay. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of pepper. Shake up the citrus dressing and we'll add it on, give it a stir, give it a taste. After I give it a taste, I'll mix this into the whole bowl. And that's going to be lunch. Good flavor, healthy salad. Probably got salad or spinach all over my teeth. This is the Let It Go Diet channel. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. I will now pour all this in and give it a nice stir and enjoy my lunch. Until dinner, make sure you're eating healthy, stay away from the nasty stuff, let your body heal itself, revive itself. See you soon.